Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I've been an Android user for 10 plus years, and as you can see I'm switching over everything to Apple, and it's costing quite a lot. So I have my 2012 27-inch iMac, which I bought second hand, and then had the 1TB hard drive upgraded for an SSD. I've just bought the iPhone 12 Pro, 256 gig, and AirPods Pro, and 12-inch iPad Pro. A lot of pros, but very expensive, as you can imagine. Hopefully I'll be able to recover some of the cost by selling some of the stuff that I currently own, as in when I get my Apple Watch, or to sell off my Samsung gear. Currently filming with my Samsung Note Ultra, which will end up being sold to hopefully recover some of the cost of this, and I got some other bits and bobs to sort out, but you get the idea. The reason I'm switching from Android to iOS is simply because they're a lot similar to what they used to be, and with a lot of the online services now, as in Spotify and Netflix and everything, don't really need, well, I don't really need all the stuff that I usually used to do with Android. Wink wink. So let's get into it, and this is just going to be unboxing. I'm not going to do boot ups or anything like that. They'll take way too long, and this is my first video, so I really don't know what the hell I'm doing, so let's go anyway. So first off, because I've been waiting for this, is the iPhone 12 Pro. And yeah, the box is proper thin compared to what it used to be. My last iPhone was actually an iPhone 5, so, or 5S. But yeah, so this is what you get in the box. I went for the Pacific Blue, so it is a very cold phone. That is really cold. Yeah, everybody knows you don't get the charger anymore, which is, yeah, they're saying environmental reasons, but realistically they're making a lot of money out of everything else. So you get the SIM ejection tool, a bit of paperwork, an Apple sticker, which I don't know if anyone actually uses those, but there it is. So you get all of that, and let's just peel this off, and it does look like a beautiful phone. So that's there anyway, and let's just put that there. Close that off, move that out the way for now, and then AirPods Pro, sorry. I like this little tab system they got for opening these up. I have actually ordered a black case off Amazon to put these into, so it gives a bit of protection and a bit of a different look to it compared to everyone else's. Come on. Okay, so again, paperwork, and nothing that you're actually going to read, or you may do, but it's there if you want it. And that's there. You get your AirPods Pro in there. There is a little pull hatch, and you got your tips in here, so don't throw that away. And then you have your charging cable in there as well. These are reverse and wireless charging cases, and I do have a wireless charger, so I won't be using that. And the tips, if I need to change them, at least I know where they are, but once I get them set up properly, then I'll check them out. But they come in a nice little case, and there's a bit of charge in there. I don't know if you can see the light just flashing there slightly. Yeah, they feel cool. Do the shake test that everyone does. It's nice magnetic on there. So yeah, those are those. And then the most second This actually costs about the same as the bloody phone, so yeah, that's a bit crazy. So here's a full tab. The iPad Pro 12-inch. This is going to be a bit of a tricky one. Oh, here we go. That wants to stay standing, which I don't think it does. Let's move the iPhone out the way there, and the pods. Wow, okay. I haven't had my only iPad that I've had for the last so many years has been the iPad Mini 2, and all I do is basically web browsing on it, but I am actually trying to set up my own photography business, so I decided to go for a bigger one anyway. But I hear that the iPhone Mini 6 is coming out and it's going to be more up to date to look like this one, which take this off. I don't think it'll have the 3 or 2 camera sensor like the big module on the back, but from what the rumors are, they are going to expand it, so it's no button and it's a very thin bezel or bezel-less display, but we'll see what happens. But that's due to come out next year sometime. As you know, 2020 kind of sucks, but there we are anyway. So yeah, this is quite slim. Again, I'm not going to do the power up because I have to do all the setup and everything, and it's going to take a bit of time. So in the box, you obviously get your tablet, you get your iPad paperwork for the iPad Pro, some other documents which I'll go through later. As you can see, I'm making a right hash of all of this. You get a little charging brick, and because we're here in the UK, it's a 3-prong brick, and I don't know if this is the same one that they sell on the Apple store, but they do one which is £20, and I love the design of this because it just folds away, so you push one of the middle prong down and they all fold down flat, so it's actually very handy for when you're traveling. So I know there's a lot of other chargers on there, and obviously with the iPhone 12 Pro, well, the whole 12 series, you don't get any chargers in the box, so this is quite handy just to keep on you. And yeah, it's got a nice click to it as well. I don't know if they could hear that properly. For everyone like myself with OCD, that's a good thing. But yeah, so that's nice to have in the box, so I'll keep that to one side. And this I will have to use, so you get USB-C to USB-C charging coil, which the iPad Pro now is USB-C. Unfortunately, as everyone knows, the iPhone 12 is still using the USB-C to Lightning adapter, so this will be charged up wirelessly anyway. I do have a MagSafe charger coming, but it's non-Apple. I found it on Amazon, and it's about, I think it was £18 or £19 in the UK. So when I get it and I've tested it out and everything, I'll do another video on that and let you know how good it is. I'm not going to buy the Apple version because I just don't think it's worth it, but this one was 20 quid, so I thought, you know what, if it works, it's great, especially for 20 bucks. So yeah, thank you for checking out my first video. My name is Raj, and I would show my face, but I really need a shave, and it's not probably good for the first video. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff, because it does help the channels grow and helps me with just getting my stuff out there. And hopefully I'll be doing more of these videos for you, but I will be doing various other stuff. It's not just going to be like tech reviews and that. It's just going to be all sorts. Whatever takes your fancy, you can watch it. If you like it, please subscribe. If you don't, you could always unsubscribe later. Oh, anyone that does have a older iMac, pick these up, less than £10. These are USB Type C to USB Type A adapters, and you get 3 in the pack. And yeah, it just helps you not have to buy all your peripherals again, basically. So like I says, I got USB Type C on the iPad, but this Mac is a USB Type A on the back, so nice little converter, very cheap and cheerful. At least I could plug it in if I ever needed to, and likewise with anything else. Anyway, that's all for now. All the best, take care. Let's hope 2021's a better one. Peace out.